Best Practices for Azure Synapse Terraform is a comprehensive guide to help you manage and deploy Azure Synapse Analytics resources using Terraform. To get started, you need to install Terraform and configure your Azure provider. First, create a Terraform configuration file to define your Azure Synapse resources, including workspaces, pools, and pipelines. It is essential to organize your configuration into modules to promote reusability and maintainability. When defining your Azure Synapse workspace, specify the required properties such as name, location, and storage account. You can also configure advanced settings like data encryption and firewall rules. To manage your Azure Synapse resources efficiently, use Terraform state files to track changes and dependencies. Make sure to store your state files securely, such as in an Azure storage account or a Terraform cloud workspace. Another critical best practice is to use version control systems like Git to manage your Terraform configurations. This allows you to track changes, collaborate with team members, and maintain a version history of your infrastructure. When deploying your Azure Synapse resources, use Terraform plans to preview changes and identify potential issues before applying them. This helps you avoid errors and minimize downtime. Finally, to ensure the security and compliance of your Azure Synapse environment, implement role-based access control and monitor your resources using Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center. By following these best practices, you can effectively manage and deploy your Azure Synapse resources using Terraform, ensuring a scalable, secure, and efficient analytics platform. Key concepts to remember include organizing your configuration into modules, managing state files securely, and using version control systems to track changes.